What people do for money. What people do for money.
When people go to Las Vegas, they usually save enough money to try and gamble a bit. Everyone loves a quick come up. And if you can turn $40 into $80 or $1,000 into $2,000 on a few good bets with some money you technically didn't need, I imagine most people would say that's a good thing. But there are wealthy men all over the country who do this every day and pay a lower tax rate on their win than you do for your bi-weekly paycheck. They're not betting in Vegas or on poker.com. They're investing their money.
My name is Brandon Lee, and the one thing I learned about money is start investing while you're young.
So we're here again, Manage Your Damn Money. I'm, of course, your host, Ben Carter. We're here today with Mr. Brandon Lee. Brandon Lee is a finance professional. So I guess we can just start off by, in what you do and what you've done over your career. Why don't you talk about kind of what you've done over the course of it?
So I started out in wealth management at a large bank and basically just helping clients invest their money in different stocks. I moved on into the capital markets area and basically just assisting businesses raise capital.
And today we're actually talking about investing. So Brandon, I wonder if you could just give us a real general explanation of what is investing.
Investing can be many things. So investing can be something which everybody generally thinks of as like buying a stock. You can invest in yourself. So you can invest in yourself if I want to start my own business.
What are some basic avenues that people usually go in terms of trying to make that dollar become $2?
The easiest way is through your job with 401k or 403b if you work for a nonprofit. And those are basically just retirement accounts. And you don't have to manage it, so it's managed for you. The mutual fund will invest in different stocks, bonds, or depending on what kind of fund it is, but usually they'll invest in different stocks. You don't have to manage it, so it requires low maintenance on your end.
Okay, cool. So I guess more personally, how are you with money, investing, saving? How's your track record on that?
When I was in college, I did not invest and saved a little bit, but not that much. And if I saved, it would be used later on. So it wouldn't be actually saving. It would be I'm just saving. I'm just deferring spending it, and then I'm going to spend it at a later time. But as I've gotten older, it's gotten better. I think for me, what works is if I automatically have the money leave my account before I even get to touch the money. It automatically goes into the different investment accounts, and then I don't have to. It's already gone. So
and that's a great method because, like you said, you don't get to touch the money. You don't get to feel like you have it. It's already gone into an account you don't look at. Which is a great way to save and invest. So I guess a question that we asked everyone who's on Manage Your Damn Money is, when was your personal damn, I'm broke as hell moment?
I think probably in college where I had saved up a lot of money, and then like I said, it was cool to say that I had this much money, and then I started going to parties and buying different things, and then over the course of the year just kind of dwindled down, and then there was nothing left. So it's kind of like looking back now, it's like I could have had that. That could have been so much more now than just spending it on parties and going out, hanging out.
So the last question I'll ask you is, what's the one piece of information or rule that you feel like you would manage your life by in terms of money?
In terms of money, manage my life by, I would say from an investing standpoint, don't invest in something that you don't know. If you want to buy a stock, make sure that the company that you're going to invest in, that you know what they do. And don't just haphazardly just pick something because somebody tells you to do it.
Definitely.
So just make sure you're educated on what it is that you're going to invest in.
Definitely. So understand what you're investing in. We want to thank you, Brandon, for coming on today.
No problem.
Thanks for coming on.
All right.